So this is Athena Kittens, and he has got food on the bottom of his face. Hi, buddy. What? That's Mama, and that's Sister. And this is Bubble. He's a black smoke. Hi, Mamas. Hi. Hi, Babas. And she looks just like Mommy. She is so cute. And they're making a huge mess with the food, and Mama's coming in here and cleaning it. So cute. But aren't they just so cute? Hi. Hey, baby. Hi. Hi, buddy. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? They're so cute. Look at her cleaning herself. So cute. So cute. Hi, Mom. Anyway, thought I'd show you what these guys look like. Till next time. Thanks for watching.